family. So today we're gonna be making my most viral recipe with over 27 million views across all my social media platforms. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for my crispy Chipotle chicken tacos. For this recipe, we're gonna be using chicken breast. You could use chicken thighs if you want, but I will be using chicken breast.
Please make sure you wash your chicken properly.
Pat it dry with some paper towel. Cut our chicken into small chunks. We want all the flavors of the seasonings to get in it like really fast. It should look something like this. Transfer this into a separate bowl. And please, in everything you do, make sure you don't concentrate on my nails, because yeah, I know they look like So now it's time to season, and I'll be going in with some smoked paprika, yeah, not too much, ground coriander, Old Bay, a good amount, and some ground cumin. I'm not gonna put too much because cumin has this strong, intense taste.
I'm not gonna put too much.
Give this a good mix. It smells good. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside and make our marinade. For this mix, we're gonna go in with some chipotle chili. Chipotle pepper. For this mix, we're gonna go in with chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. The peppers, 3, 4, 5. We're also going to use this mix for our dipping sauce and for the marinade. Some minced garlic, the juice of about 2 limes. Next, we're going to go in with some roasted jalapeno. I roasted this in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Take out the skin, throw that in here, and we're going to give this a good blend. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's hot, but not too hot. I'm gonna go in with a good amount in there. Give that a good mix until everything is fully combined. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna cover this and let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Yeah. While that is marinating, we're gonna get into our dipping sauce. I'm gonna use the leftover marinade for the sauce. It is about 2 to 3 tablespoons in here. A good amount of sour cream, mayonnaise, some salt, and some cilantro leaves. Cover this and give it a good blend. I'll say it needs a little bit more mayonnaise, a good tablespoon. I like it. Transfer this into a separate bowl. We're gonna set this aside and get into our salsa. So we're gonna start off by dicing our tomatoes. Put that in a bowl. Time for our onions. Throw that into the same bowl. Our jalapeno and some cilantro. So now that everything is ready, we're going to start assembling. So to a bowl, we're going to go in with our tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, cilantro, some lime juice, about a teaspoon of soy sauce. My boyfriend tried this and it actually tasted really good. So a teaspoon of rice vinegar. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Let's set this aside and get into our chicken. To a pan, going with your marinated chicken. I didn't add oil to the pan because that was already added to my marinade. Fry this on medium heat for about 8 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Everything is ready and it's time to assemble. I'm gonna be using flour tortillas for this. You can use corn tortillas, but I personally will use flour tortillas. We're gonna go in with some mozzarella cheese. You can use as much as you want. When I tell you this chicken is go in with your chicken, don't overload it. We're gonna go in with our cilantro, just a little bit. Top it off with more cheese, and now we're going to cover it and fry on medium heat with a good amount of oil. You're free to add as little oil as you want. Make sure your heat is on medium and not high, just so your tortillas don't burn before your cheese is fully melted. And once it looks like this, you know it's ready. I place it on a paper towel just so it drains some of the excess oil. So now it's time to plate. I actually wanted to use a regular plate, but I think I'm just in the mood for a chopping board. And see, it looks good. Just look at that gorgeous queen right there. I honestly can't wait to dig in. So it's taste time. Cheers. I promise you all, this taco is 10 out of 10. Everything just comes together and it's It's an absolute must try. And that's it for today, family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Bye.